everyone, today I have Birchbox and Ipsy for the month of March, and I just thought I'd unbox them and share what I got with you. So let's start with Ipsy this month. This is the bag. It's like black and white, and it's got a pink zipper. The first thing, it says Create Ipsy March 2018 is the card, and basically it talks about creating, and they put little markers in your bag so you can color it up, I guess, if you want to. And yep, the first thing in my bag this month is this, and it is Dirty Little Secret is the brand, and it's a baked highlighter. Mine is in the shade Prosecco, it says, and this is what it looks like in the packaging, and this is what it looks like in the thing. It's like a pink color. Pink is not my favorite color highlighter, but this one's not too pink once you put it on, but we'll see. Then there's a Steve Laurent lip oil. Mine is in the shade Orchid, and it's like a clear oil that kind of changes colors on your lips. Mine's like a pinky color. I don't have high hopes for this because I've tried something like this, I think this brand, in another box, and I wasn't a big fan of this product, but it's okay. It just doesn't have a lot of color. Then I got an Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask, which I'm not super excited about. I do like this brand, but I feel like this might be kind of drying. Then I got the Bad Gal Bang Benefit Mascara. It's in this little box, and I've tried this before, and I like the mascara. It's just not my favorite compared to like It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. That one is my favorite, but I do like this one. And that's what the wand looks like over there. So yeah, that's a good mascara. And I mean, it is a lovely brand to get Benefit in your box, so I do enjoy that. Then there's Hikari Cream Pigment. I don't know what a cream pigment is. My dog has chosen this very moment to try to play with a toy, even though she's had all afternoon to do it. She waits till I film a video. Ooh, this is a nice color. It's a gold color. Mine's in the color Shine. And it does feel very creamy. And it has really good color payoff for not barely touching it. So that's really nice. And that's everything in my Ipsy. And I really liked this month's little Ipsy bag. It was a nice selection. This is this month's Birchbox. And it's pretty this month, very spring-like. Finally spring on the card. And then the list of products are on the back. So I'm just going to jump in. Oh my goodness, this is weird. I got these, and these are like the biggest samples I've ever gotten from Birchbox. And one's a conditioner and one's a shampoo, and I feel like they're by the brand Apothecare Essentials Rose Hip Oil Geranium Aloe Vera Shampoo. The booster for volume for fine flat hair, and the conditioner is the same one. This seems amazing because I actually like volumizing shampoos a lot. So it's nice to get a full set of a decent size, because I feel like a lot of times the shampoos are just a packet and you can't really tell. But this is nice. These are huge. These are 3 ounces each. So that's like the biggest size I've ever gotten from Birchbox. And their full size is 13 each, which is pretty affordable. It's the Booster Shampoo and Conditioner. Paracone and silicone-free shampoo infused with rosehip oil, geranium, and aloe vera, cleanses while boosting body and thickens. So that seems really nice. My hair is looking pretty flat today. I could use some volume. Is a mascara, Laura Geller, full size 24. This is the Lash Boss mascara. It says customize your look with collagen and peptide infused mascara. So let's see. I've never heard of this mascara. It looks like a interesting brush. Like a comb on one end and like a little end on the other end. It looks really neat, and I'm excited to try this because I've never tried it. I don't even think I've ever tried a Laura Geller eye product. At least not a mascara, not in forever. Then I got a MAC Cleanse Off Oil, which I know I like. I like getting makeup off with this. It's a full size $12 to $32, and it says remove even the most stubborn makeup with this gentle botanical based oil cleanser. So I really like oil cleanse off things. They get your makeup off. They don't make your face too dry, which with someone with dry skin, I don't like that. So I like this a lot, and it's nice to have a little baby of it. Thing in the box is Peak Beauty Natural Plumping Balm. And this is just an itty bitty guy who they've really packaged up tight. It's in this little metal or like plastic metal looking container, and it says Peak, P-E-E-K. How do you open it? Slide it. Oh, and it's like a little tiny lip balm. And it says that it's Full size would be 22. Nom Nom Natural Plumping Balm Dash Jack. Coat your lips in this lightly pale rose tinted balm infused with ginger root, sesame oil, and lychee extract plus chili pepper for a natural plumping effect. Oh my god, it's soft. It's actually really pretty. It's extremely soft, and the only reason I put it there is because I wasn't expecting it to be so soft and I got way too much on my finger. It has a really nice minty kind of smell. Maybe that's the chili. But I really like this. I'm not crazy about things you have to put your finger in. They can get kind of messy. I already have lip product on. But this is cute and I'll try it. Maybe I'll just kind of like put a brush in it. But yeah, that's everything in my boxes. And if you're interested in what I thought of the boxes, I definitely preferred my Birchbox this month, which is very rarely the case. I did have a pretty good Ipsy, but my Birchbox, like the big shampoo and conditioner was really nice. The mascara I've never tried. The cleansing balm and that cute little lip tint was nice. I did like a lot of things in my Ipsy, like the eyeshadow is gold and I like the highlighter, but the things in my Birchbox are things that I am more likely to buy myself than things that are just like kind of cute but not really my scene. But yeah, I liked both boxes a lot this month, and I'm surprised that Birchbox won because they haven't been doing the best, honestly, for me. But I did enjoy them both this month, so I'll see you guys later.